Hazrat Ali described the benefits of good morals as Man hasunat khaliqatahu tawbat ishratahu. The one whose morals are good, his life is clean and pure. Bihusn akhlaq yatibul ash. Good manners make life happy. Makarabatun nas fi akhlaqin amnun min ghawailihim. Relating to people with ethics is the best way to avoid their evils. He mentioned Qulubu rijale wa shiyatun faman ta'allafaha aqbalat illah. People have wide hearts. Those who love them are inclined towards them. Hazrat Ali was asked, how many defects are there in a human being? He replied, there are many defects, but one quality overshadows all. It is the control of tongue and good manners. Ajminu fil khitabi tasmiu jamil al jawab. Talk well to get a good response. Only those with good morals are among the people of paradise. Good manner is the highest virtue. Gentle and good manners are blessings. He further said, Husnul adabi yastru kabihal nasab. Good manner hides bad lineage. Husnul khulki khairu kareem. Good manners are the best companions. Al-mar'u makhbu'un tahta lisanehi. Man is hidden in his language. Anwanu sahifatil mu'minu husnul khulqihi. The title of good deeds of the believer is his good conduct. He mentioned, Man hasuna kalamahu kana naj'u amamahu. He who speaks well, victory and success are ahead of him. Qulul khaira turifu behi. Have a good conversation to know you. Speaking well is a great blessing. Hazrat Ali directed, accustom your language to soft conversation and greeting. Yaksuru mahbubaka. This will increase your friends. Wa yakillu mabghuzaka. And enemies will be less. He described about the Momin as, a Momin is cheerful. He is not frowning and stern.